Okay, so there's another airdrop which is on its way. This one will actually make you a billionaire. So what you do is you head on to the description section and then you click on the link which is there, then it will bring you here. So once you happen to land on this window, click connect, and when you click connect, you will see the different wallets that you can actually connect with, or by which you can receive the airdrop. So you click OKX if you have it installed. Okay, so since OKX has already been installed, and I'm now clicking confirm. I had already installed it and I did all the verifications, which is why it automatically got opened. And let's see what will happen here. Okay, we are back here. We're gonna hit connect, right? OKX. What's my password? You enter your password. I forgot my password here. And boom, everything has been done. As simple as that. After you're done with that, the next thing that you have to do is you click the airdrop icon on top there, which looks like a parachute. And here we go. We need to connect the wallet. Okay, beautiful. So we are still punching OKX. It's loading. Okay, let's click the airdrop icon. Then now we click claim. Let me copy what is at the bottom here. Is it copied really? So now we, okay, copied. Can now click claim. Okay, so it has been requested. Let's see. We'll need to be claiming this on a daily basis, you know what I'm saying? Okay.